Are you too good to sleep in the dog bed? And you throw the blanket out too? Yeah, you. Weirdo. Okay. Hey, baby. Yeah. Okay. Okay, ready? Come here. Oh. Alright. Get your hairy little brown hole over there. Okay. Oh, dirty little puppy feet. Who do those belong to? Yeah, that's what I thought. You ready? You ready? Are you ready? That's our boy.
So go ahead, live unfiltered with the one and only Sotictu, a once daily pill for moderate to severe plaque psoriasis, and the chance at clear or almost clear skin. It's like the feeling of finding you're so ready for your close-up. Hide your skin. Just your background. Once daily Sotictu was proven better, getting more people clearer skin than the leading pill. Don't take if you're allergic to Sotictu. Serious reactions occur. Sotictu can lower your ability to fight infections, including TB. Serious infections.
What's the matter, buddy? Did you wake up with a Woody? I'm sorry. Poor baby. We were going to go to the lake today, but it's just a dreary, rainy day, and the wind was blowing pretty hard earlier, and it was dropping branches onto the top of our trailer, and it was a little bit scary, but anyhow, so right now somebody had to go poop, so we're just out for a little walk. This is our little area to walk in. So we're just gonna hope it doesn't start raining again and finish our walk. You're making some bad choices by not listening. Hey, come here. Come here. You're not listening. What do you have on you? Come here. Come here. What are you dragging? Come here. Come here. You have a friend. What is that? Seats. Seats! Jesus Christ. Ugh. What is this? Is that your friend? Alright, where'd your sister go? We lost her. Oh. There she is. Come on, little Deja. Where are you going? Hey! Where are you going? That's what I thought. The big G. Big G for globe. Let's see. That's our trailer right there. And that tree has been dropping a bunch of branches down on it. Come on, let's go. It's raining again. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on. Yeah, see, it's raining again. Come on, Deja. We're waiting on you. Alrighty, there you go. Come on, Deja. Come on, little Deja, you can do it. Hey, come here. Come here. What are you doing? We're waiting for sister.